So I think notes making is something which is very crucial that you would have to do in order to prevent your reading from becoming passive. A lot of times, what happens when we are reading or watching a video is we are watching it, but we are somewhere else in our mind, right? We zone out. So, what I would recommend is while you are revising, let's just be in the same scenario that I have 4 months or maybe 1 month for my FMG exam. What I would recommend is have a piece of paper along with you, have a A4 sheet paper, and whatever you're reading, keep noting down a few phrases, right? Whatever are the buzzwords which are important. That will prevent, a very passive learning from happening, because anytime I have notes, particularly students who are repeating and who have already read their notes a lot of times, one problem is you are reading. End of the day, you would realize I was sitting on my desk reading the entire day, but in the end, you'll have a feeling that I don't know how this day actually went away, right? मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि yield निकला क्या आखिर.